Hey traders, hold on your hands. Today we're gonna take your trading skills from good to downright incredible. How do I know? Because I've walked in your shoes. But don't just take my word for it. We'll be diving into a trailing backtesting session to prove their power in real-time market condition. First up, fire up TradingView. Now head over to the Indicators tab and search for the first secret weapon, the breaks and retest with volatility stop indicator. It's like finding a hiding gem in a treasure trove of trailing tools. Alright traders, we've got the breaks and retest with volatility stop indicator on your chart. And now let's fine tune this baby to match your unique trading style. Don't be shy about experimenting with the settings. It's all about making this strategy work for you. See that letter gear icon? Give it a click and you'll uncover a world of customizable settings. Now, here's the deal. While the breaks and retest with volatility stop indicator is pretty amazing, it's not perfect. Sometimes might throw you a curveball with an inaccurate signal, but don't sweat it. I've got your back. To double check those signals, I've got another fantastic indicator up my sleeves. Think of it as your trusty sidekick, helping you confirm trades and avoid potential losses. We'll dive into that shortly. But first, let's talk about TradeGenius, the channel that's got your back in the trading world. We're all about sharing killer strategies that are not only profitable but also easy to use and completely free. Our goal is to help you conquer the markets and achieve success in your trading journey. If you're digging this content, show me some love by smashing the like button and subscribing for more game-changing tips. Alright traders, let's hop back to the Indicators tab at the top of your screen. Give it a click and you'll spot a search bar just waiting for you for the next move. Now we're on the hunt for our second indicator, the corrected QWMA. Now that you've got this powerful tool at your fingertips, let's fine-tune its settings to create a killer scalping strategy. Now comes the best part. I'll be unveiling the exact rules on how to trade with these amazing indicators. Let's get down to business and spot those buy trade rules. First things first, make sure the price candles are hanging out above the QWMA indicator lines. This means we're in an uptrend, and that's precisely where we want to be for buy trades. Next up, keep your eyes peeled for a bullish breakout on the chart. If you see one, and the price candles are still chilling above the QW MA lines, it's go time. You can now dive in and open the buy position with confidence. Now, let's talk risk management. To set a stop loss, you have a couple of options. Either look at the most recent market swing low or the QWMA lines. Based on the current market conditions, choose one and set your stop loss just slightly below it. Safety first, folks. Lastly, let's shoot for the stars with a profitable trade target. To set it, make it 1.5 times greater than the risk of your trade. You've got it. Let's flip the switch and dive into sell trade rules. First things first, check the price candles are below the QWMA indicator lines, indicating a downward trend, perfect for sell trades. Next, be on the lookout for a bearish breakout. Once we spot one and the price candles are still below the QWMA lines, we're good to go. Open the sell position and get ready to ride the wave. Now, let's cover our bases with risk management. To set a stop loss, look at either the most recent market swing high or the QWMA lines. Choose one based on the market conditions. And lastly, it's time to lock in those profits with a solid trade target. Set it 1.5 times greater than the risk of your trade. Alright, now we put the strategy to the test on the gold chart using a 15-minute time frame with a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, and the results, an outstanding 69% win rate out of 100 trades with a total profit of 104%. To put it into perspective, the strategy ran for 10 weeks. We had an impressive streak of 12 consecutive wins with only 6 consecutive losses. Other mind-blowing stats include a profit factor of 3.35, comparing profit to loss, and a max drawdown of a mere 5.85%. But why stop here? I've got another game-changing trading strategy waiting for you in the recommended video on your screen. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to boost your trading game even further. Click now and let's keep crushing it together. Happy trading!